Math and music. Math and music have always been considered closely connected in many ways. It is widely believed that the students who do well in music also excel in math. Let us take a look at some of the basic components of music and see what math has to do with them. Fundamentals of music. Music is composed of aural phenomena. Music theory considers how these phenomena apply in music. Music theory considers melody, rhythm, counterpoint, harmony, form, tonal systems, scales, tuning, intervals, consonance, dissonance, deuteral proportion, and the acoustics of the pitch systems, composition, performance, orchestration, ornamentation, improvisation, electronic sound production. Rhythm is to music as numbers are to math. Rhythm is produced by sequential arrangement of sounds and silence in time. Meter measures music in regular pulse groupings called measures or bars. The time signature or meter signature specifies how many beats are in a measure and which value of written note is counted or felt as a single beat. Syncopate rhythms contradict those conventions by inserting unexpected parts of beat. Playing simultaneous rhythms is more than one time signature is called polyrhythm. And next we have to know abstract algebra in connection with music. Abstract algebra theory is used to analyze music. For example, pitch classes in an equally tempered octave form an abelian group of 12 elements. Transformational theory. It is the branch of music theory developed by David Levine. The theory allows for great generality because it emphasizes transformations between musical objects rather than musical objects themselves. The theory which models musical transformation as elements of the mathematical group. The goal of the transformation theory is to change the focus from music objects to relations between objects. Musical set theory. Although musical set theory is often thought to involve application of mathematical set theory to music, there are numerous differences between the methods and terminology of the two. For example, musicians use the terms transposition and inversion, while the mathematicians use the terms as translation and inflection, reflection. Operations such as transposition and inversion is called isometrics because they perceive intervals between the tones in a set. Moreover, musical set theory is more closely related to group theory and combinatorics. In combinatorics, the unordered subject of the object, such as the pitch classes, is called combination and ordered subset of a permutation. Number theory. Music is a result of an orderly arrangement of different types of sounds, which in turn results from waves through the air that cause vibrations of small bones in our ears. The perception of one sound as being either higher or lower than another sound is the result of the specific rapidity of these vibrations producing the property of sound is called pitch. The number of vibrations per sound is known as the frequency of the pitch, and the greater frequency the higher pitch sounds to ear. We begin by enumerating piano keyboard a means of organizing pitch relationships. We call each of these numbers a key position. Fibonacci sequence in music and golden ratio. The Fibonacci sequence plays a major part in Western harmony and musical scales. Some of them are as follows. An octave and piano consist of 13 notes, 8 are white keys and 5 are black keys. Also, a scale composed of 8 notes, of which the third and fifth notes create foundation of a basic chord. In a scale, the dominant note is the fifth note, which is also the eighth note of all 13 notes that make up the octave. 8 divided by 13 equals 0.61538, which approximates to golden ratio. Composers and musicians have been using Fibonacci sequence for hundreds of years to compose and create music. Most of the musical instruments makers use the golden ratio as well. Mozart, many of his works was based on the golden ratio, especially his piano sonatas. The traditional sonata has two parts: their exposition, where the musical theme is introduced, development and recapitulation, where the musical theme is developed and repeated. Mozart arranged his piano sonatas that the number of bars in the development of the recapitulation divided by the numbers of bars in the exposition would equal approximately 1.618, the golden ratio.